Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna. ब्रह्माद्यस्य विघ्नेश्वराट् तेने ब्रह्म हृदयादिकवये मुह्यन्ति यत्सूरयः तेजो वारिमृदां यथा विनिमयो यत्र सर्गोर्नुषा धाम्ना स्वेन सदा निरस्तकुहकं सत्यं परं धीमहि धर्मः प्रोजितकैतवोऽत्र परमो निर्मत्सराणां सताम् वेद्यं वास्तवमत्र वसुदुषिविदं तापत्रयोन्मूलनम् श्रीमद्भागवते महामुनिकृते किं वा परमेश्वरः सद्यो हृद्यवरुध्यते कुतुभिः श्वशुषुभिस्तच्छनात् निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं शुकमुखात् अमृतद्रव्यसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिकाः भुवि भावुकाः यं प्रव्रजनमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरह कातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तर्वोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि यः स्वानुभावम् अखिलश्रुतिसारमेकम् अध्यात्मदीपम् अतिथितीशतां तमोन्धम् संसारिणां करुणयाः पुराणगुह्यं तं व्याससूनुं उपयामि गुरुं मुनीनां नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकीनन्दनाय च नन्दगोपकुमाराय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। नाम संकीर्तनं यस्य सर्वपापप्रणाशनं प्रणामो दुःखशमनः तं नमामि हरिं परम् स्मृते सकलकल्याणभाजनं यत्र जायते पुरुषस्तमजं नित्यं व्रजामि शरणं हरिम् पुरुषस्तमजं नित्यं व्रजामि शरणं हरिम्। श्री हरये नमः। श्री हरये नमः। श्री हरये नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्द
Govinda. Radhe Krishna. Super. Very nice. Beautiful Dana Shloka. The set of 3 chapters, 12, 13 and 14 is Brahma Mohanam. The children have planned a picnic, Vanabhojana Leelai. Before they could get to their picnic, Aghasura had appeared. So previous chapter dealt with the Aghasura episode. This particular chapter will have both Vanabhojana and Brahma Mohana. And next chapter is Brahma Stuti. So these 3 are considered a set. They are considered a hidden set also. Because in Dvitiya Skanda, already there was a plan for all the Leelas that will happen. In that plan, Brahma Mohanam was not included. So there's an extra Leela. Because you saw, no, previous chapter, this he wanted to see. Therefore he rushed. He said, maybe I can get one Leela. This Brahma wanted a Leela. So he thought, maybe I can get a Leela. So he rushed, and that is why Brahma Mohana Leela is considered a Prakshipta Leela. Because it happened, extra Leela. All devotees, even though there are so many avatars, so many bhaktas, every bhakta has some avatara as their favorite. And within that, they will have some Leela. Even Krishna's Leela itself is split in so many. There is Gokula Leela, there is Vrindavana Leela, Mathura Leela, Dwaraka Leela, and so on. And within each of those headings also there is many Leelas. Different devotees, they get immersed in some Leela. What is happening is, for example, you ask Meera, she will say that the Leela that has totally captured her heart is the Leela of Govardhana Giridhari. You ask Narasimha Mehta, he will say, when I was a small boy, Shiva took me and showed me the Rasa Leela. So after that, everything is Rasa Leela for me. Similarly, even though Shankaracharya has enjoyed all the avatars, all the Leelas, for him Brahma Mohana Leela holds special place. Aghasura Moksha has been done. End of that, Shukabrahmam has made a statement that this happened when Krishna was 5 years old, but all the boys came and reported it in their houses when they were 6 years old. So this Parikshit was very intrigued by that. He's like, normally same evening everybody will go home and they will relate all the things that happened. That's what you said earlier when Vatsasura, Bakasura, all that came. You said, yeah, that evening they all went and related the story. How come here there is a gap of 1 year? Param Kautuhalam. I'm super excited to hear that. I feel that this must be some special Leela. Harereva Maya Bhavati Nanyatha. We feel so blessed, so happy, because we are continuously hearing, we are continuously drinking this nectar. Krishna Kathamritam Yat Prabhamo Punyam Krishna Kathamritam Punyam Krishna Kathamritam. So Shukabrahmam is going to start this chapter by praising Parikshit. So many days he's still listening with such full attention, and he wants to hear more and more of Krishna Katha. So Shukabrahmam starts the chapter, Sadhu Prishtham. Sadhu Prishtham. Beautiful question you have asked. Very nice. Mahabhaga. Greatly fortunate. Very lucky. I consider that you are a great Bhagavata, great devotee. Bhagavatottama. Even though you have heard so much, every story gives us a new experience. The same story you can hear again and again, it will give you newer and newer insights, newer and newer experience. So, he's saying, people who want to hear Krishna Katha, they are the ones who are blessed.